David Schwartz talks price. Yes, you need to see what his response was. We're going to talk XRP price at the end as well. Big pressure being put on the crypto markets from several fronts. Is there going to be a crash coming? And voting is happening now. Will we get crypto-friendly red?
Due to the graphic nature of this program, listener discretion is advised.
Happy Wednesday, dudes and chicks. Let's get at the red and go back into the blue. Looks juicy on the screen, doesn't it? Crypto prices, yeah, we're going to talk about it, but you know the deal. Your comments come first, hot, spicy, relevant. Maybe I'll share it at the beginning of the next video. By the way, your comments have been freaking awesome lately. CL55F1, I would say CL55AMG. Why does Ripple need RLUSD if they already have XRP? Why are they giving away XRP? Think about it. XRP was sold. We're actually going to talk and answer specifically why Ripple needs RLUSD. The answer is quite obvious, but a lot of channels don't talk about it. Captain Cornchip said, you said it all. Ripple's using XRP to fund its partnerships and improve Ripple's position in the market, leveraging XRP to that end. When people start becoming aware of this, you begin to see the robbery of retail for what it is. It just goes back to every company uses investor money to make things happen, right? But are they using investor money wisely? Are the investors getting a return? If retail doesn't get a return, then yeah, you got to really worry about retail being used by Ripple. Anthony has a great one. Is BricsPay using XRP? I saw their BricsPay site and it doesn't make any mention of Ripple or XRP. No, they're not using XRP. Again, channels that are telling you that BS are lying to you, and I keep telling you so. That's why you hit the subscribe button. See, I bring you the news whether it's good or bad. The real news, not the, Russian stock market's going to be on XRPL. BRICS using XRP. No, girlfriend. And I'm going to tell you exactly why and show you with proof exactly why Ripple is going to be using RLUSD and why they want it. Bitcoin sitting at 65,923. We're going to talk about the pressure on the market. ETH 2507. BNB, if you played the 600, it's coming back down. You're going to play it again. Sol at 166. XRP at 51.8 while Avalanche is pulling deep in the red, 5%. XLM, I guess people care about it, 9.3. Crypto is getting hammered today with Bitcoin dropping to $6,000 to $5,000. The decline in BTC can attribute it to mounting pressure on tech stocks. It is tech stocks, along with Middle East escalation, along with gold sucking up money from all markets. This is absolutely insane, the run that gold's been on. Look, this is why I'm bringing up the gold. Right now, the gold market is massive compared to crypto. I mean, massive. Crypto is like a drop in the bucket compared to the global gold market. So when gold is roaring and touching all-time highs and just printing money left and right, investors flock to it. It's a safe haven asset. So when safe haven assets are roaring, that means a lot of people are nervous. That lot of people being nervous puts risk assets, like what you see up on the screen here, in a little bit of pressure, in a little bit of hot water. So if gold keeps roaring and we keep seeing more and more stuff happen, whether it's tech bubble maybe going, maybe we're looking at Middle East drama, maybe we've got some political drama, anti-crypto stuff, people are going to flock to safe haven assets like gold. Silver looking juicy as well. Where's my stackers out there? Oh, what else is happening? The first day of South Carolina early voting sees long lines and a record. That's right, record voting. And that's one of the big things right now with crypto. We need to see what happens with the elections so we can get the United States that's got lots of money on the positive side of crypto regs. Now, earlier you asked, why would Ripple want RLUSD when they already have XRP? This is why. UK will soon introduce laws to regulate stablecoins, says Circle's head of policy. UK government will soon introduce legislation aimed at regulating stablecoins, said Circle's global head of policy, Dante Disparte, in a recent interview with CNBC. He suggested formal laws could come within months, not years. According to Disparte, the government's cautious approach may have been beneficial in light of scandalous crypto events like FTX. In comparison, the EU has already got MiCA going, and because of MiCA, they're pushing Tether out. Well, Coinbase is pushing Tether out because it won't be MiCA compliant. So right now, you're seeing a huge push from regulators. Hey, love from viewers across the pond, giving you the UK and Eurozone news. Eurozone is moving hardcore fast to get stablecoin regs in. So why does Ripple want to go with RLUSD? Because governments around the globe will regulate stablecoins way before crypto, and it is way easier to do. That's why you're going to see any regs in the United States. It's going to be stablecoin regs. It ain't going to happen this year. The politicians are pimping themselves. 2025, 2026. EU, UK, they're pushing for stablecoin action now. That's why Ripple wants to get in it, because Ripple knows you're going to get protection from the laws, updated laws for stablecoins first. So your comments in the beginning, right? Hot, spicy, naughty, relevant. Well, this is why. Why does Ripple need RLUSD if they already have XRP? Because the regs right now are not favorable to crypto. Also, the regs and the overall financial environment is not favorable to crypto. It's favorable to stable coins. Stablecoin market cap is growing. Check it out. I've got that up on the screen. Look at stablecoins right here. Look at the growth that they've had from 2018 to 2024. In 2018, you had 1.5 billion market cap in stablecoins. Now you have 160 billion. You're talking in 6 years, that amount of growth. And now that you've got more regulators out there saying, yo, we're going to pass laws regarding stablecoins and regs, banks, institutions, big businesses, whales, juicy money is all going to be like, oh, so here's a crypto asset that does have updated regs. Here's a crypto asset that's okay with this, and this government entities. More money will go in there. And it's not just the amount of market cap, okay, that's juicy with this. If you look at the volume, the biggest players right now, volume-wise in crypto, oh, man, check it out. Okay, Bitcoin, we understand. Look at Tether's volume. $54 billion in 24 hours. $54 billion for Tether. Bigger than Bitcoin, which sits at $29 billion. So Tether's volume, right? And these players make money on the volume, like banks and credit card companies. They make money on transactions. So do these companies here, right? And they want that cash. They want all that holding so that they can reinvest it and all that. USDC volume-wise, take a look. 6 billion in volume. So 40 plus billion for Tether. What's the volume of XRP? 900 million. So not even 1 billion. So Tether's volume is what, like 45, 50x of XRP's volume? And XRP is one of the bigs right now in general for crypto in terms of volume. So you got to start looking at this saying, well, yeah, that's why they're going to stablecoins. Now let's talk about what David Schwartz said regarding price, because that's what you care about. Price. Juicy news as well. Ripple CTO addresses XRP price speculation amid market uncertainty. That's right, because we're seeing the markets pull back right now as I'm recording this video. Check it out. XRP is now at 51.8. We're going to talk about XRP as soon as we get done with David here. David Schwartz, CTO of Ripple, recently addressed growing speculation regarding the price. In an exchange, an ex-user asked Schwartz for his insights on the potential timelines for XRP's value at its peak. The user specifically asked whether this price surge could happen in the next couple years or take longer. This inquiry came against the SEC's decision not to pursue appeal regarding the ruling that XRP is not a security. So thinking, hey, well, we've gotten protection from the courts. No, we don't have crap because you don't have the money following that protection. See, you can have rules, you can have laws, but what do you want? You want the money. You want to follow the money. And so right now, people are like, yo, XRP, what is it good for if you're rolling out RLUSD, if we're going to see regs and stablecoins first before we get into crypto? Does that mean we have to keep pushing the window out to XRP even longer? What is Ripple using XRP for other than money acquisition usage of buying places? That was horrible grammar, wasn't it? But think about this. So now David Schwartz, right, asked this regarding price. David Schwartz, XRP architect, one of the bigs in the know. What is his response? Knowing that people are pissed, that price action has been junk. You're seeing partnership left and right with Ripple. You're seeing RLUSD advancements left and right. And David Schwartz says, I know of no method to predict the future prices of cryptocurrency. Yeah, way to go there, Boobala. Come on now. That's what you get from David. So yeah, People are panicking right now. They're panicking because they're sitting here going, well, whoa, what is XRP being used for? Knowing that stable coins are going to get the regs first. And that stable coins, as I showed you earlier, are growing, and that the volume is absolutely insane with those stable coins. So people are starting to panic going, hey, we need to see usage. And what happens is this. Every company uses money out there, investment money, to make things happen. But are they doing it with the best intention of the stakeholders? And the problem is XRP holders are not stakeholders. XRP, you don't have ownership in a company. You just own XRP. You don't own part of Ripple. So if Ripple makes profit, it's not like that at all. You don't get voting rights, nothing like that. Really interesting dynamic here because a lot of people are starting to look at things and open the curtains. XRP price, let's talk about it because global macros move the price of XRP. Good regs will move the price of XRP. Good regs come with what? Election coverage. And we're seeing, and I can attest to this now, massive record first day of voting in. People want their voices to be heard. By the way, price sitting at XRP is 51.8. We've seen quite a bit of pullback. I expect this to go north of 52 here quite surely, obviously within the next 24 hours. That would be nice, albeit unless something negatory happens with the Middle East and so forth. Now, in terms of the volume, volume has been down and it's Wednesday. So that's not a good sign either, but it makes sense. Why does it make sense? Because players right now that are looking at the crypto market are not looking at right now. They're looking at this right here. November, December, January, February, March. Waiting to see what happens with the elections. Waiting to see when MiCA stuff starts kicking in and Coinbase starts pushing out Tether and so forth. Waiting to see if the UK gets in on stablecoin regs. And waiting to see if a lot of that juicy money on the sideline will start entering the market once we have clarity on some of the biggest political decisions to hit the globe. So no, BRICS is not using XRP. That was a lie by a bunch of creators out there that are making crap up. XRP, people are starting to worry about because being moved by global macros, not development of Ripple. So then Ripple's controlling XRP, and is it doing what's best for the XRP holders? So David gave us an absolute gem with that quote right there. And it does. It makes people wonder, all right, cool. What are we going to get out of this? And remember, my job is to bring you the news, whether it's good or bad, happy or sad. So yes, I'll bring you the partnership news. But I'm also going to bring you the news that says, hey, look, volume is down. Regs are going to start going more towards stablecoins. Ripple is working on a stablecoin right now. So it's obvious where their attention is going to go. Now, I will understand that a lot of you are probably like, oh, I'm going to unsubscribe. He's not an XRP maxi. Yeah, but look what the XRP maxi influencer channels gave you. BRICS is using XRP. No, they're not. Russian stock exchange and XRPL. Wrong, girlfriend. XRP backed by gold. Wrong again, girlfriend. So yeah, you can listen to the maxi hopium pumper news, but all their stories they're touting continue to be proven wrong. So thank you for your comments, and I'll end with this. Choo choo bitches, race day is 9 days away, and we getting ready.